Once upon a time, there lived a rich old man. He had made his fortunes by turning barren lands into fertile farms and vineyards through toil and labor. As he lay on his deathbed, he called his sons to his side. He knew that his sons were greedy and lazy. They would waste away the money he had worked so hard to earn. He told them,
"I am going to be leaving you soon. But before I go, I have a secret to share with you."
The boys, curious to know the secret, gathered around their father's bedside.
"I have stashed away a secret treasure. It is lying a foot under the ground, somewhere within our fields."
"Don't worry, father. We will find it,"
said the boys. As soon as they had buried their father after his death, they started to dig the ground. They dug industriously all over the estate, but to their utter dismay, they found nothing.
"He has made a fool of us,"
the foolish sons cried. However, the soil, which had been dug up and loosened, turned out to be a boon for the next harvest. The succeeding crops were of unparalleled richness, which brought the sons immense wealth. The boys soon realized how clever their father had been. The secret of the hidden treasure was actually a ruse for the boys to dig up the soil, which would help to produce a rich harvest. They had learned their lesson the hard way and ensured that they would preserve the legacy their father had left them.